Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a really simple way how you can easily add WhatsApp chat to your 3dcart website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is a WhatsApp chat. So let's click sign up for free. Now you want to sign with a Facebook, Gmail, normal mail, it's really up to you. And when you will have it, click login. When you're here, you just in applications, you want to write in search WhatsApp. And you're gonna see like WhatsApp chat here. So give me a second. Let's create the widget. Now we have general. Let's continue with the template. Just add here your number that they will write you here. Then you get like settings here and style, bubble animation, content, chat header, chat bubble. You can change the icon, but I will leave it like it is, honestly. Then just click save now. Right after you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000 or 5 million views, go with the basic, pro or enterprise version. Let's copy the code here. And now you want to go here. Let me show you. You want to go to content, site content, I think, yes. And then just scroll down below to header and footer and just paste the code here in global header and click save and enable the global header. When I'm going to do it, I will view the store now. And as you can see, it should appear right here. So I need to put it here. Let me. Oh, it was added there. Okay. So give me a second. Let's go view edit source and here. Now click save. Click on this called view edit source. And voila, here we have it. And this is how you easily add WhatsApp chat to your 3dcart website. Thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye.